Perfect. So what we are trying to do is we are just trying to capture what we have seen so far in Power Builder. Yeah, like what we have touched so far in Power Builder, right? We created a workspace, application object, Power Builder library, target, Power script, right? Whatever we were writing, right? Now what else? Events, right? In and then there was one more thing, property, right? Okay, and then variable, local, instance, global, and shared. Though we have not discussed shared variable so far, but that is fine. Every variable has two things: one, scope, and life, right? Scope means where you can execute, where you can use that variable. Life means till when that variable will be live. Okay, Windows, in Windows, what you have seen that how to open a window, right? How to open a window. Open function. Yes, open function. And then what else we have covered? Sorry. Perfect. Controls, right? In controls, what we have seen? SLE, SINGLE, sing. Let me type SLE only. Yeah. And static text. Yes, perfect. So SLE we were using for input purpose, and static test, it was just a label, right? It was just a label. And we have seen command button. Perfect. Now, okay. So in Windows, okay, in Windows we have we have basically, okay. So if I open Power Builder, okay. So here, if I open this Power Builder, right, these are the properties, right? So you can see here, Windows type, right? How many types of Windows we have? Child, main, MDI, MDI help, pop-up, and response. Okay. So there are 6 types of Windows. These questions will be asked always, okay, in interview, that how many types of Windows do you have in Power Builder? Yeah. So there are 6 types of Windows. As and when we will use, you will get to know like what we are going to do. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So now let's not waste more time. We will start, in agile mode. Let's start our project. Okay, let's start our project. What is our project? Our project is society management. Our project is society management, right? So first screen to develop a society or anything, right? What you need, like, you need to have in any application. You log in your bank account, or you log in, like, in Gmail, or you log in railway, or any application you used, or LinkedIn or Facebook, right? You need to create your account there first, right? Why an account is there? Because they have, they want a security, right? That okay, only authorized persons should be able to use that application, right? So in any system we need one account, right? Okay, perfect. So we designed our application in such a way that in society, let's say, we are going to give this application. Just think always, as an end user, that how they are going to use that application, right? So we discussed initially that, let's say we are going to give them a look, because it is a user based application, right? It is, sorry, it is a Windows based application, right? So they need to install, they should have the exe of the Power Builder in their machine. So what we are going to do is, what we can do is, we can create, we can create we can have a Google Drive. In Google Drive we can just after implementing this application, we can keep all the, I mean, exe and whatever the required, to run that exe, we can keep in uh, in the Google Drive, and we can sync, we can share that link with everybody, right? What they can do is they can take that application from there and install it. Okay. Now, let's say if they have it, if I am a first user, if I am a like new user, right? If I'm a new user, what what I can do is, what I can do is, I I need to I need to sign up first, right? That what I'll do is I'll create my account. I will create my account. Now you can create your account, but your account, right? Your account, and then you can ask for, already a society which is already created, or you can ask someone, right, to uh, or if you are, let's say, a president, right, then what you will do is you will ask, hey, create my account, right? Or like, give me the permission. Or let's say you are a president, so you will create your society first. There are two objects basically, guys, right? One is individual person, second is, one is individual person, second is a society. So a society should be created first, right? And then only people can join that society, right? So someone has to create a society, and then only you can join it, right? Okay, perfect. So what you will do is, what you will do is, uh, even you are, if you are going to create a society, so you need to create your account first. Okay, so there are two things. One, you sign up or sign in, and then once you are sign up or sign in, right, then you can create a society. Then you can create a society. Perfect. Now, so we discussed before as well. I think I created one login screen. Yeah. So let's do it again. So what we are going to do is, we are going to create a login window. We are going to create a login window. Okay. So how it should look like, right? है ना, बनाया था हमने, right? No worries. Let's do it. Don't worry. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. Let's do that. हाँ, अच्छा. Sign in or sign up, right? You know the meaning of sign in and sign up. First you have to sign up, and then you need to sign in, right? So sign up and sign in, like two basically buttons. Okay, so let's not waste more time. We will create one login screen. We will create one login screen. Okay, so let me go and create one login screen. How I will do it? I'll create a window. Okay, first of all, you should save this window. Just go and save it. W underscore login, login. Okay, W underscore login, right? Where it is saved, W underscore login is saved in society management.pbl Power Builder library, right? Okay, now run it. I think, yes, Anuj. लाइब्रेरी सिर्फ एक ही टाइप की होती है, पावर बिल्डर लाइब्रेरी। वो ऐसे पूछ सकते हैं दैट ओके where all objects are saved. Okay, so if you go in this is the folder, see society management. Yeah, let's go and see what is there. Let's go and see what is there, right? C SOCIE, society management. Yeah, where is that? One second यार, ये फोल्डर क्यों नहीं दिख रहा? सोसाइटी मैनेजमेंट, oops, I am in first tab. SOCIE, सोसाइटी मैनेजमेंट, राइट? तो ये देखो, ये क्या है आपका SM वर्क स्पेस है, ये क्या है टारगेट है। इन दोनों की अलग अलग फाइल होती है। ओके, इसका PWS एक्सटेंशन होता है और इसका PBT होता है और इसका PBL होता है। तो ऐसे तो तुम्हें दिख नहीं रहा है, इसके अंदर हमने 2-3 ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑलरेडी क्रिएट कर दिए हैं, बट if you go here from power builder, right, it says that hey, this object w underscore login is part of society management. So I told you guys, like, to open an object, right, there are many ways. Recent objects, you can go and you can open it from here, right? Or you can go to the browser, right? You can browse your objects. You can see that there are two windows, right? These are the objects. These are called tab pages. Tab pages, right? Okay, perfect. There is one more way. There is one more way. What is that way? Goes here somewhere. Yes, this one. Library. Library. You can open from here also your objects. C के अंदर क्या था आपका? Society management. Society management. If you click here, you can see these are three. Oh, sorry, I was wrong. The extension of workspaces .pbw. Okay, perfect. And then you have this PBT and then PBL. If you further click on this plus sign, you can see that you have three objects. One is your application object, and there are two windows. Okay, there are two windows. Perfect. Now I have perfect. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा question. Right? Let's go here and save as. Okay, you can give w underscore login underscore test. One more window will be created. W underscore login is already there. You have created a copy of W underscore login. Okay, you can go and check how you can check it. You can see here. If you want to delete it, select it, delete it. Right? Perfect. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, अभी बहुत सारी चीजें सीखेंगे हम, don't worry. Okay, now if I run it, I'm not able to get that window, right? Why? Because on application object, I have written something else. So let me give this window. Let me give this window. Let me give this window. What is the name of? Oops. This is w underscore login underscore test. टेस्ट वेस्ट छोड़ते हैं, डायरेक्टली यहां जाते हैं एप्लीकेशन ऑब्जेक्ट पर एंड ओपन इट. परफेक्ट. व्हाट आई विल डू इज, सब कुछ बाद में करेंगे. First of all, let me open my window w underscore login. Okay, run it. This is my w underscore login window, right? बहुत बड़ी दिख रही है, थोड़ा छोटा करेंगे और ये अनटाइटल्ड लिखा हुआ आ रहा है, right? No. Let us go and open this w underscore login. Okay, let's change titles, means login window. Okay, login window. ये थोड़ा सा बड़ी हो रही है, इसको छोटा कर देते हैं. ओके, और यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं enter, enter your login information. Okay, enter your login details. Whatever you want to do, you can do. Right? This is a static text. इसको यहाँ रखते हैं. Right? थोड़ा सा सुंदर बना देते हैं इसको. We do that. कैसे करें? Okay. Oops. बोल्ड कर दिया है ना. और let me take to edit control. One more edit control. This is my user ID. Okay, this is my user ID, or you can say login, and this is my password. अच्छा, ये थोड़ा दूर दूर, इनको दोनों को एक साथ सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो, and then you can use these things. Yeah, like that. Don't worry, सब धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा. Don't think that okay. Now let me remove this none. This none. Acha. One more thing, like interview question. Okay. See, this is your login window. Type here, right? आपने देखा होगा that when you type something in password, it comes with star star star, right? So we can also change the property of this particular SLE. Let me change. Let me make it like password, right? Done. So if you will run now, if you will type something, it will come like that. Yeah, perfect. Now let me add two more button. One is sign in, SIGN sign. Oops. SIGN sign in. And then sign up. Right? थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर लेते हैं इसको. परफेक्ट, राइट. और थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर लेते हैं. ओके, नाउ अभी मैं एक गलती कर रहा हूं. व्हाट इज दैट गलती? व्हाट इज दैट मिस्टेक? सी, आई केप्ट दिस SLE underscore 1. This is SLE underscore 2, right? So let's keep some meaningful. Let's keep some meaningful name. SLE naming convention, बहुत सही, right? Password PWD, yeah. And then this is sign in, sign in, and this is sign up, right? Perfect. So this is your डिजाइन कर दिया आपने, है ना. अभी होगा कुछ नहीं इससे, राइट? होगा कुछ नहीं, बट आपने डिजाइन कर दिया इसको. नाउ व्हाट आई वांट इज, if I am signing in, okay, if I am signing in, then I should get into my security management application. Okay guys, okay, So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create one more window, right? Oops. Okay. And this window, okay, this window I am going to take as an MDI. MDI. What is the full form of MDI? Multiple document interface. Multiple document interface. Okay. So basically you will understand when I will be doing it. Don't worry, don't get confused. Okay, let me save it first. Oh, it says a menu is required for all MDI frame windows. Okay, so whenever you have a window of MDI type, then you need to assign one menu to it. Okay, one menu to it. Okay, perfect. Let's do that. Let me create a menu first then. But I want to save it so that I should not lose my changes. So let me move it back to main. Let me save it. W underscore MDI. Okay. Now I'm going to create a menu. How do I create a menu? Next to Windows, you have a menu object. Yeah. Click on it. Perfect. Before I do anything, I am always like I save. Now I'm clicking on this save. It is saying, hey, like you have not done anything, you have not changed anything. Okay, so let me give the name. Let me give general. What is general there? Okay, insert sub menu. Okay, admin m underscore mdi, because it's a menu, so m underscore mdi. Perfect. Yeah, कुछ किया नहीं, just एक बना दिया मैंने, right? Now I'm going to close this and I will use here. You can go here, it will show you how many MDIs menus are there. Select it, you have connected it. Yeah, perfect. Now you are okay, but you need to make it as a MDI. Now it will not give you an error. Why? Because you added one menu, right? Perfect. Now what I want is, if my login details are successful, right? If my login details are successful, then I should be able to enter into my application. I should be able to get into my MDI. Okay. So let's say if I do something, click on this sign in button, I should be able to see my W underscore MDI. How do I do that? Okay. So थोड़ी देर के लिए मान लेते हैं, right, के this MDI, right? You know that अब देखो ऐसा करके मेरे को दिख नहीं रहा है, कोई आगे है कोई पीछे है, तो व्हाट आई कैन डू इज select both with the help of control and use this. Yeah, use this. Now it is of equal length. Yeah, perfect. Now कोडिंग हम बाद में करेंगे, असली कोडिंग हम मान लेते हैं कि जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमने दी है दैट इज राइट इंफॉर्मेशन, दैट इज राइट इंफॉर्मेशन. सो लेट्स, हाँ बोलो. हाँ ले सकते हैं, लेकिन एक टाइम पे एक ही मेन्यू दिखाई देता है. विल कम टू दैट पॉइंट. कीप ऑल द क्वेश्चंस समवेयर, हम करते रहेंगे, है ना. ओपन करते हैं, OPEN, ओपन W underscore MDI. Let's run it. Sign in. You have opened this, right? But 1 second, guys. I'm getting a call, or I will attend later. 1 second. Let me tell. ये भी आप लोगों का जैसा भाई बंधु ही था, ठीक है। नाउ ही इज डूइंग जॉब इन आवर सिस्टम and now he is going to join HCL Pune. अच्छा, let's back here. ठीक है। अच्छा, अभी क्या है कि I don't want this, like if I am able to log in my window in my application, then I should be able to close this, right? So if my login is successful, what I want to do is, if my login is successful, right, if my login is successful, close, you can give name, or you can say parent. See, where are you writing this coding? You are writing on the command button, right? So command button, actually whatever all the controls are kept here, these are the children of this window, w_login window. These are the children, right? So if you will mention like parent, so what parent means? This window. So what we are telling is, hey, close the parent window. Okay, perfect. Now let's log in again. Sign in. Your parent, that login wali window is closed. ये ठीक नहीं लग रहा, बहुत छोटी स्क्रीन आ रही है. So what we can do is, w_mdi, and then see, window state is normal. There are 3 states: minimized and maximized. So let's keep maximized. And here title, my society, MANAGEMENT, my society management application, APPLICATION. Okay, save it, run it. Let's say you give something, sign in, you will come to this screen, big screen, right? This is your application. You have entered into your application. Now what will you do? Now what you will do? You can do 2 things. One is, there are 2 things, right? One is, after successful login, what you can do is, you can create a society, or you can join an society, join an EXISTI, this thing, SOCIETY, society, right? भाई या तो आपकी सोसाइटी पहले से क्रिएटेड हो, राइट, और या फिर आप उस सोसाइटी को क्रिएट करने जा रहे हैं, राइट? सो लेट्स have 2 menus. Let me open the menus. Where it is? This one, right? Rather than this admin, okay, no worries. Let's keep this admin as it is for now. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add insert menu item, or insert menu item at the end, sub menu item. Okay, sub menu items, let's say create, oops, what is happening? Create a, हाँ ठीक है, create a society. Okay, हाँ, create a society, right? Or join a society. One more menu. Oops, इसके पैरेलल नहीं लाना मेरे को, इसके अंडर में लाना है. तो सब मेन्यू, इंसर्ट सब मेन्यू. ओके, uh, join your society, right? Perfect. Okay, perfect. So let's run it, right? You can create a society, you can join your society, you can create your society and join your society. तो अब होना क्या चाहिए? I should be able to open one more window, right? One more window. So let me close it, and then what I will do is I will design one more window. Window, okay. Okay, W underscore create SOCIETY society. Yes, perfect. Now what you can do is let me keep create a SOCI society, right? One more window let's create. As you said, I can just join your society. W join your society. Join society. Perfect. Yeah. So now what I will do is on this. So see, these are like this is the menu, right? Again, menu object, right? In menu objects, you can write the script. If you click here, write a script. So there are only two events, not three events: click event and selected event, right? A menu you can click or you can select, or you can, if you want to give some help, you have one more help, we'll see that. But main event of menu is clicked. So open sheet, W underscore CREAT create underscore SOCI society, okay, and W underscore MDI, और क्या सिंटेक्स होता है इसका, 1 LAYERED, अच्छा ओरिजिनल होता है, हाँ, okay. So we can see on Google also if we are not able to find here, yeah, so we'll see that. Yeah, so this is my window, right? I'll do something here, and similarly we can open a window here. We have not written anything. All right, so what I wanted to tell you is, so today you saw that, like, we have this, we can create an a menu, okay. So what we discussed today, there are 6 type of windows, though we have not used all types of windows, right? So we used like main window, and we use today MDI window. For an MDI window, one menu is always required. One menu is always required, okay. Then what we did, we created a basic menu, right? You know that what is menu, right? You can go and this is the menu, right? And then on menu event also we can write, some code on click event, so that we can open our window, right? Now, you can see one difference here. We used open function. We used open function on application object to open a window. Here what we are doing is we are using open sheet. We are using open sheet function. Yeah. So now we got to know there are two functions to open a window, right? One is open and the other one is open sheet, right? Open sheet, right? So we use open sheet function if we want to open a window under an MDI. Under an MDI, what will happen? What is the benefit of using it? Let us check that. Let us check that. Okay, if you minimize your MDI window, if you minimize your MDI window, what is happening? All the objects which are opened under this, so windows which is opened under this MDI is also minimized, is also minimized, means you have opened this window as a sheet. If you click, if you close that, then that, and all windows are closed, right? So this is the benefit of open sheet function, and that is the reason you are telling, hey, open my window as a sheet under this MDI, under this MDI. We will discuss these two parameters later. So we got to know there is one more function which is called open sheet, to open a function, to open a window, right? Okay, so two functions, open and open sheet. Open, let's see what happens. Let me comment this code. Let me comment this code. Comment means this code will not be executed now, right? Control C, Control V. सी अगर कहीं पे प्रोग्रामिंग में समझ में ना आए तो उसको करके देख लो, आपको बहुत जल्दी क्लियर हो जाएगा, राइट? ओके, राइट. Now let me minimize this. Your window is outside this. You minimized your MDI, but this window is there, right? This window is there. In fact, if you close this window, your window is still there. Why is that so? Because open function, open function opens a window, open function opens an independent instance of that window. Independent, मैं किसी के dependent नहीं हूं, अपने आप में पूर्णतः समर्थ हूं, right? So I am as an independent, independent window, independent instance of that window. If you open with open sheet, then you are opening a sheet under that MDI. So this is the benefit. So what we want to do is, whenever we are opening a window under an MDI or in an application, we always try to open, we always try to open, we always try to open in MDI. Why? So that if I am going to close my applications, all windows can be closed at that time. Yeah, when I'm going to terminate my application, then all windows should be terminated. Simple. Yeah, perfect. Now we are going to, okay, so now let's design our login screen. Now let us design up, we have designed already, let's write the code. Okay, see, let's write the code. Okay, so what is that code? Code is like, which will certify that, okay, I am a right user or not, right? I'm a right user or not, right? If I'm not right user, then it will not allow me to log in into that window, into that application. Yeah, so when you install Power Builder, basically, when you install Power Builder, right? When you install Power Builder, then one more database gets installed by default. Okay, right? So you have already installed one, that is a basically demo database for Power Builder application. Yeah, so initially we will use that database. Okay, and then we will switch to a different cloud database, so that our data should not be lost. Yeah, so because now what we are going to do is, let me okay, so what is a database, right? A database means you are going to store your information permanently, right? So what we are going to do is, we will have one table called login table. Okay, login underscore, let's say T. Okay, this is a table. We'll keep login name. Okay, login password, pwd. Okay, let's keep these two things first. Okay, what should be the data type? VARCHR varchar 200. Let's keep varchar 2 is in Oracle only, so let's keep 100, and then password is like 50, suppose VARCHR 50. Okay, so and this is kind of unique. Okay, जब आप डेटाबेस के अपने फीचर्स यूनिक नहीं इनफैक्ट प्राइमरी पढ़ोगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. ओके, we have discussed a lot about the database, but yes, as and when required we'll discuss those things as well. So let's create a table first. Let me see. Okay, so far what all paint, these are called painters also. Okay, these are called painters also. So we have seen browser, we have seen library. Okay, now we are going to connect to the database. Okay, so this is DB profile. Okay, so you can connect to, Anuj, बोलो अनुज. हाँ, library painter. अच्छा. So we have this. So we have, demo database. Where is that? Go here. This is DB profile. This is database painter. Okay, oh, so now when you click on this database painter, it tries to connect to the existing database. Okay, so that DB, I don't have that DB, so let me go here. Yeah, this should be by default. What is this? Yes, yeah. Can I connect this? Oh, I'm not able to connect to this DB. Why is that so? It is coming here and going back. Why is that so? Oh, I think that DB is not working. For me, that DB is not working. 1 second. What is this test DB? Let me try to connect this. Can you guys also try in your machine that you are able to, connect to any existing DB? Oh, install that. This is also not there. Sorry guys, 1 second. Let me pause this. See, there are two there are two parts of the application. One is, your power builder application, right? And the other part is your backend, your database. right? And this is your power builder, right? So power builder will connect to the database, right, to save the information or to check whether this id exists or not, right? And to display that information again back to the user, it will go and bring that information from the database. See, once, let's say if I'm using this power builder application, right, if I'm out from this application, if I terminated that application, it means this application is nowhere else, right? So whatever you have typed so far, it should be saved in the database, right? It should be saved somewhere permanent so that you can use in future. For that purpose you need a database, right? So what we will do is we will create a table. We will create a table where we will store all the login information, right? And then we will verify, and then we will use that basically. So I'll get one db ready. Okay, till then what you will do is, till then what you will do is till then what you will do is you will do the practice whatever I have shown you here, whatever we have done today, right? and just go through all these things. Yeah, one more thing, you will also create along with me, right, those windows whatever I have shown you so far. Plus there is one more exercise of creating menus in your power builder book. Okay, don't go through in detail what all is there. Just create the menus exercise. There are, I think, 5 to 6 menus you have to create, right? So do that exercise first, and then along with me do whatever I told you right here in this application. I'll keep 1 db ready. So tomorrow we will do some coding, at least sign in and sign up, and then we will start creating the windows. Maja aayega bahut. Yeah, we'll use this application. Yes, you were saying something in between, Anuj. Let me stop this because today's session is, I think, finished. I will discuss. 1 second, 1 second.